Hyundai recently revealed its completely bespoke EV in the market called the Ioniq 5. This EV will directly compete with the Tesla Model 3, Model Y and ID models from Volkswagen. Today in this video, let's talk about its styling, battery capacity, charging tech, how far it will go on a full charge and finally the pricing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you find this video useful and informative, then please consider subscribing by clicking the red button. This retro looking hatchback is rather large than a conventional hatchback. It has a wheelbase longer than a full-size sedan. That means it has a very spacious interior. I will come to the interior part in a minute. But first, let's talk about the styling. At a first glance, you can tell that Hyundai has done a great job to mix some retro touches in this modern design. Take a look at the pixelated square-shaped headlights and taillights. They looks very retro yet elegant. The side profile has some beautiful cuts and creases. This makes the side profile more bold and edgy. Now let's talk about the most important thing in a EV, battery and range. The base model starts off with a 54 kWh battery pack. If you want a longer range, then upgrade to a 72 kWh battery pack. This is good for a claimed WLTP range of 290 miles or 475 kilometers. As per the power figure goes, as standard you get a single motor rear wheel drive setup that has 165 horsepower. The upgraded models will have a dual motor all wheel drive setup capable of making over 300 horsepower. The charging tech is pretty impressive in this car. This EV has the 800 volt charging capability. Can you tell what other EV has this feature? The Porsche Taycan. That means with a 350 kWh fast charger, you can top up 0 to 80% in less than 20 minutes, or you can add more than 100 miles of range in just under 10 minutes. This type of charging tech is pretty impressive in a hatchback. In the interior, you will get more than enough space for 4 6-foot tall adults. You can also squeeze a fifth passenger with ease. As the battery pack sits under the floor, you will get a SUV like high seating position, so the visibility is great. In front of the driver, you will get a large panel that features two large horizontal screens, one for the gauge cluster and one for the infotainment system. As per practicality goes, this car offers a 531 liters of cargo capacity. To get in or out from the car is very easy thanks to the wide door opening in the car. And with the key fob, you can press a button and the empty car will park itself in a narrow garage or in a car park. The pricing is not revealed yet, but you can expect a price of $30,000 to 45,000 US dollars. So what do you think about the Hyundai Ioniq 5? Would you rather have this or the Tesla Model 3? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care guys. Goodbye.